Hi class, welcome to another video. In this video we will learn user input in C# and how it works. Let's get started. Here I type first what is your name. Here I have to type a string. Here I type name is equals to console dot. Now again we have to type console dot write line. Console dot write line, and inside this, here in inverted commas, I have to type your name is. Here I type plus, and now all I have to use my name object here. Here it is. Now here I type my name Taha, and here you guys can see this is a user input in C sharp. We use console.writeLine to print something, and we use console.readLine to get user input, and this is how it works. As you guys can see, first we can see our question, the second our name Taha, and in the end I print my name, your name is Taha. This is how it worked, and let's see another example how we can use this as an integer. Or I have to copy this again, and here I paste it. Now what is your age? And now here for that I have to use integer int age, and now for that I have to basically user input. This console is not understand in programming language, so for that I have to use convert dot to integer. Let me show you how. Convert dot to integer. Now it's perfect. Here I type my integer object. Now let's run it. Forgot to change the string. Your age is. Your age, yes. Let's run. Here I type my name Taha. Now what is your age? Here I type my age. So this is how it works. This is how we can use user input in C sharp. That's all.